Hello everybody, I am Dr. Senthil Kamalasekeran, Senior Consultant Orthopaedics at Lotus Speciality Clinic. Now I'm going to demonstrate some simple tips and tricks to get over this heel pain. Take a rubber ball and place it at the ball of your foot. Or if you don't have a rubber ball, you can either use a chapati roller or you could get a foam roller like this, and then start placing it under the ball of your foot and start rolling your arch of the foot over the roller, and do the same thing for around about 20 to 30 reps on either foot. I'm just going to demonstrate how to do this massage therapy for the heel pain. If you lift your big toe, you can feel the plantar fascia. You can feel the band of tissue going right down to the inner aspect of your heel. Start from this point and go in a circular fashion all around the plantar fascia right up to the ball of the big toe. You can continue in the same fashion going down all along the plantar fascia, which extends from here in a fan-shaped manner to the lesser toes. So by doing this and by improving the circulation of the plantar fascia, you will be actually trying to get away the heel pain. The next good exercise is called the calf stretch, which you can either do against a wall or you can use a footstool. I will demonstrate how to do it on a footstool, in which you keep your one leg firmly planted on the footstool and then stretch the calf on the other foot. The other way by which you can do it is you can put your hands against the wall an arm's length and place one foot firmly planted, and you extend the other foot back your calf. By doing this, the tight that you feel the pull and tendo Achilles, which is normally shortened in cases of flexible flat foot, gets elongated, or even in sedentary people, if it's tight, it gets a little bit relaxed and takes away the pressure from the arch of the foot and helps them to get relief from the heel pain. I hope these simple exercises and stretches helps you to get relief from your heel pain. Thanks a lot.